Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about one of the most common energy drains we all experience, the invisible weight of carrying yesterday's concerns into today's possibilities. Let's explore this together. Your energy returns when you stop giving it to yesterday's worries. Think of your energy like water in a pitcher. Every time you replay an old conversation, rehash a past mistake, or worry about something that's already happened, you're pouring that precious water into a cup with holes in the bottom. No matter how much you pour, it just keeps draining away. But the moment you stop pouring into yesterday's broken vessels, that water, your energy, begins to collect again. Yesterday's worries are like house guests who've overstayed their welcome. They take up space in your mental home, eat your emotional food, and leave you feeling depleted. But here's what's beautiful about energy. It's renewable. The moment you withdraw your attention from what's already done and redirect it to what's actually here, you feel that familiar spark returning. Your shoulders relax. Your breathing deepens. You remember that right now, in this moment, you have everything you need to take the next step. Morning intention. Before checking your phone, take 3 breaths and ask, what deserves my energy today, during the day? When you catch yourself replaying yesterday, gently say, that was then, this is now, and name one thing you can do right here. Evening reflection. As you prepare for sleep, consciously release the day by saying, I did what I could with what I had. Here's your simple tool for today. The energy redirect. When you notice yesterday's worries creeping in, imagine physically turning your body away from them and towards something present, a task, a person, a sensation. Your body will help your mind remember where you actually are. 2 related quotes to carry with you. The past is a place of reference, not residence. And today's peace begins with releasing yesterday's grip. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.